In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a meeting inside of Zoho CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to meetings up in here in the menu. Then from here it should be looking something like this. Then you need to go up to create meeting. And then this page will be popping up, and here you can title your new meeting. You can add in a location if you want to do that. You can add if it should be an online meeting. You can set it to all day meeting, or you can select from or to down here. You can also add a host, which automatically will be you. You can also add one of your members. Then you can add it to related to, and you can add the specific part right here. You can also add the participants where you can click none, or you can click here by add, and then you can select all in your team or all in your contact, leads or users. You can also down here invite by email address. Down here you can also add a participant reminder where you can either select at time of meeting 5 minutes before, and etc, etc, etc. You can also add more details down here where you can add a description. You can say the meeting should repeat every other day maybe, or every other week. You can also set the reminder for the meeting, which automatically will be 15 minutes before, and you can select a second reminder if you want to do that. But then you just simply need to click save and click create. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!